Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating subtracting 5-digit numbers. So for my example, I have 46,857 minus 12,341. So the first thing I'm going to do to make this easy for me to solve is make separate columns. So I'm going to make a column here, here, one here, and one here. Now I'm just going to subtract each column one by one, starting with the ones place value. 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So, what I strongly advise you guys to do when you're subtracting large numbers like this is to create columns like I did. So that way you don't get confused with which numbers you're subtracting. And if you guys like what you learned in this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, as I have a full playlist on other subtracting concepts.